This is in the middle. Wow, look at here. Yes, where the rules. This is TikTok English, please, honey.
Yeah.
So the TikTok have very strict rules. We can't have a Chinese character here. Thank you, Anika. Anika. Look at here. Look at here. Okay, so first we check on both, and we check both here. So we will check in the middle. So would you like to be our moderator? I need some moderator. Thank you, Noe. Thank you so much.
Whoa, thank you, baby. Thank you.
So this is Edison. It's in the middle. The Edison is in the middle.
You.
Wow, look at here. Yes, where the rules? This is TikTok rule. Wow, this one is a big one, honey. How much barrel can we? Wow, thank you. It's some point. Wow, look at this one. This one is super huge. Let's measure what's a big size for you.
Yes,
I need some model.
Yes, model.
So I need some moderator. Wow, look at here. This one over 12. Wow, this one over 12. Okay, almost 13. Okay, this is yours right now. Congratulations.